Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's Figma tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to use the Beautiful Shadows plugin to add eye-catching, professional-looking shadows to your designs. By the end of this video, you'll not only know how to install and use the plugin, but you'll understand how to control shadows in Figma to instantly elevate the look of any element, whether it's a shape, icon, or like we have here an image of a duck. So let's dive right in. For our demo, I've already dropped in this image of a duck so you can follow along with any image or shape you like. The secret to creating really realistic, stylish shadows, the kind you see in polished app designs or on sleek product shots, is having the right tools, and that's where the Beautiful Shadows plugin comes in. First up, let's actually get our hands on the plugin. Inside Figma, to add any plugin, you'll want to go up to the main menu. But here's a little shortcut that's super handy. Just hit Ctrl+K on your keyboard. That brings up the action bar instantly, kind of like the search bar on your phone, where you can look for anything from commands to plugins. In the search box, start typing Beautiful Shadows. If you haven't installed it yet, you'll see the option to install, so just click that. Once you've installed it, go ahead and run the plugin right from this menu. Don't worry if this is your first time using plugins in Figma, it's a really smooth process, and Figma makes it easy to manage everything from one place. Now with Beautiful Shadows open, let's actually add a shadow to our duck image. Select the element you want, in this case our friendly duck, and you'll notice a control interface pop up. You'll see a circle overlay on your element. This is where the magic happens. Think of that circle as your spotlight or the sun in your design. By clicking and dragging it around, you're literally deciding where the light source is coming from, which in turn controls where and how your shadow appears. Want a shadow that falls to the left as if the sun is setting on the right? Pull that circle over. Prefer a dramatic bottom shadow for floating effect. Drag it above your element. It's super intuitive, even if you haven't used similar tools elsewhere. Now, as you play with the circle and see your shadow shift, take a second to experiment. Try different angles, or move it further away or closer to your element to see how it affects the blur and spread. It's a little like moving a desk lamp around an object. You can instantly see how dramatic or soft the shadow becomes. If things don't look quite right, or if your shadow feels too harsh or too faint, don't worry. Use this moment to get a feel for how these small adjustments can make a big difference in your design. Once you're happy with how your shadow looks, just hit Apply. The plugin will update your design right away, and you'll see your image pop with a gorgeous soft drop shadow that feels much more natural than Figma's default effects. Honestly, this is such a quick way to add that extra layer of polish to any visual project. And that's it. You're now ready to create beautiful, dynamic shadows in your Figma designs using the Beautiful Shadows plugin. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. If you have any questions or maybe want to share your own tips for working with shadows, drop a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe for more simple, effective design tutorials right here. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.